Today in the livestock market, the cattle was easier. The cash prices are just not clearly defined yet, and the futures breakout was a little bit short-lived as the box beef values declined and demand is really slowing. That being said, we're still in that area, kind of above some of those big resistance indicators, and it's very possible that this is just a slight pullback and we might start to work up again. And I say that because today in the feeders, they slipped as well, but they're just in the feeders, it looks more like a slight correction. And so if the feeders are really leading the beef complex, then that should give us a little bit of a tell on the live cattle side. But back to feeders, the futures are really like looking for some follow-through buying, and they're carefully watching that USDA report on the grain side. If the grains get a whopper of a number, higher or lower, it's definitely going to have the opposite effect on the feeders, and that's going to take the live cattle along with it, certainly for the day. So we're going to watch that closely. Everything's really kind of moving to that point. Hogs, on the other hand, surged today. They're really concerns about the African swine fever has everyone worried that the disease will spread, and if it does to spread to any other countries, that just tells us that it is really widespread in Asia. Some traders are optimistic that finally that China will start to come and start to purchase some of our supplies, our pork supplies, because their supplies are really at serious lows. So we're hoping beyond hope that this could be that the bottom is in and the market is going to start to charge forward. And we always are hoping at some point in time that there's going to be a resolution to this U.S.-China trade deal. That certainly is on the back burner right now, but you just never know. With this administration, maybe something might be helpful, but for now, the market looks pretty good. But let's watch for that USDA grain report. I think it's going to definitely affect the entire livestock complex.